You want to create a lifelike voiceover for your video, whether for creating social media, video announcement, corporate or training video presentation, and inclusive voiceover to improve accessibility and engagement. If you don't want to record your own voice, don't worry. Create free voiceover from diverse range of voice in various language and accent with Clipchamp AI voice generator, and it's amazing. Alors, what is a voiceover exactly? A voiceover is a production technique that let creator, business, educator narrate a story without being seen, and that's good. A voiceover usually features your own voice reading a script, then edit it into a video like training or virtual learning. So, what is a text to voice generator, which is brand new in Clipchamp? If you don't want to use your own voice for a voiceover or looking to same time create a voiceover using a voice synthesizer instead of your voice, Clipchamp text to speech generate let you create voiceover using AI technology. And this is amazing. I've been using it for a little while and wow, this is amazing. Choose for a unique range of over 170 voice and different accent, age, tone, and select from over 70 diverse language. Just write your text, choose the voice, and set the speed and your narrate. How to use your free voiceover generator? I'm Daniel Loire, and I'm an expert in video. So let's go directly in Clipchamp so I can show you the way to do it. So here we are right now in the platform of Clipchamp, and I want to show you how to do a voiceover with the wonderful app, the specific place that they have Clipchamp. It's very easy, very effective, and we're gonna go to record, and we're gonna go text to speech, and you go there and it's loading and I pick English United States. But we have in English we have it's about 140 language, so you pick your language that you want. You can have English United States, English United Kingdom, all the English type of accent, which is good. French is the same thing. Dutch is about two kind. Chinese, the same thing. Chinese, we have a whole bunch of different places. And this is very amazing when you want to do a video in different language, which you want to expand your world with your text. And we're going to go right now. Stay here. English. We're going to find a man for, I like Brendan. Brendan is pretty good. You can pick up the style. Not all the time, not all the voice have that. The the speech speed. So you can find a regular. Sometimes I just lower it down just to make it more slower. The voice pitch, so you can have, I like medium. This is a suggestion that I give you. So before that, I go to this platform. I just have a text on my computer, and I bring it, I copy, and I paste it. I will paste it. And we have a speech that we create. Sometimes I create my speech with ChatGPT. Sometimes I just do it, go in ChatGPT and redo the writing till it's good. And the way you want, if you do it, if you're very good doing your text, you're doing it, it's amazing. So I want to I want to listen to the voice before we do anything else and try it. So we're going to try Brandon now.
Hello, name. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional look.
So you see name, because I was a mailing, so I can take this off. I don't need hello name. So when I do a spacing, it's giving some time for the voice to take a breathe, take some time. And right there, I'm gonna take this part because it's probably gonna be mixed up. So all the little sign, all the little thing can take it off before you do the text. And I just took a really short speed. So I'm not too sure, Brandon. I'm going to go with Christopher.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today, I want to share with you 3 simple tips that can help take your videos to the next level. Tip 1. Use a tripod. One of the easiest ways to make your videos look more professional is to stabilize your camera with a tripod. This will help keep your shots steady and prevent shaky footage. Tip 2. Control your lighting. Proper lighting.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I like Christopher. So we can try another one like Eric. And, you know, when you pick a voice, try to keep all your video in the same voice.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today, I want to share with you 3 simple.
I find it a little bit slow. It's probably very good. So I'm going to fast it up and see what it looks like. Here, I can hear.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today, I want to share with you 3 simple tips that can help take your videos to the next level. Tip 1. Use a tripod. One of the easiest ways to make your videos look more professional is to stabilize your camera with a tripod. This will help keep your shots steady and prevent shaky footage. Tip 2. Control your lighting. Proper lighting can make a huge difference in the look and feel of your video.
This one, I really, really like it. So I just upgrade the speed. I keep it to medium, but I can try to make it high. Just listen, just to give you a little sample of different, just in this area.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos.
Not in that case. I want to keep it medium. Listen it again.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today,
It's pretty good. So let's just try before we save it. Feminine voice, Michelle.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today, I want to share with you 3 simple tips that can help take your videos to the next level.
I like it. I like Michelle. Let's try. It's so many. Nancy. You can try Nancy.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today, I want to share with you 3 simple tips that can help take your videos to the next level. Tip 1. Use
Pretty good. So sometimes it's hard to pick. You have to decide if you want a male or female, if you want somebody young, somebody older, depending of your niche, depending on what you want. So let's go back to Michelle, because I kind of like, finally, I like a feminine voice, and I'll redo it again.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today,
Pretty good. So when I find the right speed, the right pitch, the right voice, exactly. If I like, let's say I want to have English for United Kingdom, you're going to be really surprised to have a pretty good accent. So Libby, I'm going to go with Libby.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today,
Pretty good. This is very, very good. And let's go for Oliver to just check.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today, I want to share with you
It's a little bit fast. But just to tell you, it's so many voice, so many
Hello.
accent.
I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today, I want to share with you
So, of course, when you pick the United States, is a general United States, and is a general United Kingdom, and it's a let's go try this one.
Hello.
I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today, I want to share with you three.
It's amazing. It's amazing, the accent. It's very Singapore, English from Singapore, so you get some kind of different accent.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating.
You know, if you have it's not too many voice in this area.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos.
Yeah, you see, it's pretty good. So I want to go back to English United States, and we're going to take Michelle. So just take note when you find somebody you like, and we're going to go to Save Media. And right now, what it's doing is saving your media, and it's 51 seconds. It's not that long.
Hello.
And I go right here, and I listen to it again.
Hello. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for.
So I have the voice right there. So after that, I can go to, it's right there, you get stock image and stock video. So you can go to stock image, and we can say video, because we talk about video. And what I find is not too many good picture on that. I can do woman. And I can put this just to show you. If I have an image, I can spread it, the whole thing. Let's say you have an image of you. You want to put it, let's say it's you who's talking. Just be sure it's the right size. You just spread it, and we can.
Oh. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips. I hope you've been enjoying my videos and tips for creating professional-looking videos. Today, I want to share with you 3 simple tips that can help.
So this is just to show you in this part how to do a simple video with a voiceover. After that, we will go a little bit more deeper in the put some text, put an image in an image, put a video on top of it. Let's say if you add something like a party, like a promotion, like membership, all those things, you just add the image or the video that's good, that can be added to it. But you just go on this 2 line. If you want to put music on top of that, which sometimes you don't really need it. If you want to put your music, let's say you have your music, you go on music, and or if you want to have this is the music they offer. If you want to put your own music, you go on your media, and you have your music right there. Now
Hello.
I have just the voice, but I can put my theme song, so it's the best for to add it on really low, and you can really control when you add a music, you can control right there. You get the audio. This is the voice. If you have music, you go to audio and you put it like around 8 or 9%. You don't want to take it too much of your video. So this is about it, and I would suggest for you to practice. It's very, very nice and simple. You just, like I say, you need a text before you paste it in your Clipchamp place, and you choose your voice. You like it. So you put it in the timeline, and you do a video. When you finish, you export. I would suggest 1080, and the 1080 it's perfect. So it's going. I will put a title always test for audio, and it's going to give you your video, and you can put on your media, on your website, on everybody, because you got the embed. Also, sometimes when you have somebody who's doing your website, it's just take the code and it's putting your video. So it's a place, it's something very easy, very fast to do. And now it's saving, and I put it on my desk, my computer. So this is it for this video, and it's a very easy way to do video without showing your face. So see you in the next video.